Amazon is currently one of the largest, if not the largest, online marketplaces worldwide. And some of the countries that it includes are France, Germany, Spain, Canada, and the list goes on and on. How can we use that to our advantage, especially when we're doing product research? Let's go. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Andy. I've been selling on Amazon for a few years now, and I created this channel to kind of see where people needed help, give advice where I could, add value to the Amazon FBA space for those of you who are trying to get into the Amazon FBA business model. If you guys haven't already checked out the previous videos on product research, I'm trying to go through every single method that I personally use to find products on the Amazon FBA platform. So be sure to go check those out. I think this will be product research video number 6. I don't know how many videos I'm going to create on product research, but there's so many ways to find products. And I get so almost sad in a way when people tell me, I'm trying to get into Amazon FBA, but I can't find a single product to sell. And I mean, I find products on a daily basis if I really want to. Sometimes multiples in a day if I spend a lot of time doing product research. So there's plenty of products out there. You guys just need to spend the time in doing so and find out where, or figure out where to start. Again, welcome to the Prestige channel. If you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is stay till the end of this video and I'll show you guys, or I'll let you guys know on instructions on how you can sign up for that. Totally free. I only select one winner per video, so be sure to stay for that. And if you guys are interested in joining a Amazon FBA community that I've put together that's growing on a daily basis, all you guys need to do is head on to Facebook, search Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind, or just check that down in the description below, as well as a free cheat sheet that I have for the Prestige fam. So let's dive right into that. Sorry for that super long intro, but you see I have Google pulled up and this is how I kind of figured this out. As mentioned in the intro to this video, Amazon is spread worldwide. There's so many different marketplaces on the Amazon FBA platform. Of course, Amazon US is the largest, but that doesn't mean that we have every single product that is on the Amazon FBA marketplace, and I think Amazon's in 16 countries now, so that's definitely not disregard all these other countries. So what I want to show you guys is a cool trick that I was able to kind of discover, but we'll use Amazon in Germany as an example for this video, and you can use this for any country, and this applies to any country as long as you have Google Translate Chrome extension, and that should come with Google Chrome. So what we'll do is we'll just type in Amazon Germany new releases, and again you can do this for any single Amazon marketplace, and you can go ahead, it's usually the first link, and you go ahead and click the first link. Google Chrome will automatically start translating this, so don't worry if you don't know German. I personally don't know German, so again, don't worry about that. So basically these are the new releases, and it breaks it down by department, as does the US market one, if you guys are familiar with that, or the Canada one. So basically you would go one by one and down on each of these departments depending on what you are looking for. And which niche and category you guys are looking to sell in. So let's just pick one, for example, kitchen, household, and living is always a solid one. I think that's what a lot of people do research in, especially in the US market. I'm gonna shrink myself so you guys have more space, and I am not important. So as you can tell, it's Halloween season. There's a lot of Halloween specific items out there. That's interesting. Okay, but what I like to do is kind of scan this entire page for things that I haven't really seen on the US market, and just to get ideas of things that I can potentially bring into the US market, or kind of not introduce, but sometimes there's not a lot of representation in the US market and there's still a lot of demand, so we can kind of bounce back and forth between seeing what's almost, I don't want to say revolutionary, but new to the German market that may not be introduced to the US market yet. are not so much represented. Represented. So I'm just scanning this. A lot of this stuff is Halloween. Hot water. Taste Hero beer conditioner, a bottle top for beer as freshly tapped. That's kind of interesting. We'll open that in a new tab. Check that out. Let's keep scrolling down. Phone bracket. Training collar dog vibration for dogs. That's interesting. We'll skip that for now. Let's see. Mugs, cookie rollers, Velcro, reusable cotton swabs. Never seen that. That's interesting. Open that in a new tab. This looks like a dope lighter. So we'll go with that for now. Let's look at this. If my computer will load. Okay. Waiting for that to translate. Bestseller number 1 in beer glasses, only 130 reviews. Okay, so it looks like a beer preserver, especially for beers on tap. It almost looks like a wine aerator, but this looks pretty cool. I don't know what it's like in the US market, but it seems like it has a high demand in the German market. So again, like I've never seen this in my life. Maybe you guys have. Maybe it's something that you guys can look into. Let's see. These Q-tips, reusable Q-tips. When we can wait for that to translate. Okay, so reusable cotton swabs. I don't think I've ever seen this or heard of this. I wonder what it's made out of. I feel like it's silicone, safety silicone cotton swabs. So that's extremely interesting. This is extremely small, and I can't imagine the cost of goods to be very much at all. So return on investment must be extremely high. Actually, I'm really curious because I want to check this out. So I'm going to pull this up on Amazon. I'm just going to guess and say that the main terms are reusable cotton swabs or cotton swabs reusable. Let's go for cotton swabs. Swabs. It's not even coming up. Okay. Let's see what this looks like in the US market. Okay, so it's already being sold within the US market. something I've never heard of. There's only 469 results for cotton swabs reusable. And I don't even think these are reusable. So it doesn't seem like there's too much. You can tell it kind of starts to get random here and there. So I don't think, just based on these numbers and just based on what I'm seeing just a few rows down, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of competition. Some of them don't even have reviews yet. So this is definitely new to the market from my perspective. Based on these VSR numbers, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of demand yet, but this may be something that would be coming out or could be up and coming in the years to come, just because it's a new release and it seems to be doing somewhat well in the German market. But let's keep scrolling down and see if we can find something that's a good example for you guys. Dog hair remover. Let's open that up. And so let's open up dog hair remover. And we'll let it translate. But this seems like a really good listing, actually. I wouldn't put a dog in your washing machine. You might get taken down for that in the US, but So this looks pretty awesome and looks like something you would just toss into your washing machine along with your clothes, and maybe if you have a lot of dog hair. I personally have a dog, so I could definitely benefit from this. And I've actually never seen this type of pet hair remover. So this may be a way of this person differentiating on this market. So what we can do is we can head on to the Amazon US marketplace, type in maybe dog hair remover. This is a classic item, but so this looks like it's already on the US market. This may be one of those as seen on TV things, but um, you guys will probably need to create your own mold for this if you guys wanted to get into this market like this guy has. You can see that it's not the same seller and it's not the same as seen on TV. But you guys, I can tell you guys now that I have found many potential products. So definitely use this method in order to find new products. And I think Japan is really good because I feel like Japan is a very innovative country. So a lot of products that are in demand there and just getting into their market and have already good reviews have really big potential in the US market. So definitely try this out. Hopefully it helps you guys. If you guys found that helpful, please be sure to drop a like. If you guys are interested in that 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is like this video, comment down below, #Prestige Amazon FBA, as well as subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos. Again, check out the Facebook group. That's Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind. And if you guys want daily content, be sure to check out my Instagram. You can follow that down below, as well as checking out the official Andy Lamb on Instagram. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Feel free to drop those down below as well. But I thank you guys for tuning in as always, and I'll catch you guys at the next video. Peace.